So let's see today's lovely whole wheat pizza puffs. It's super simple to prepare. Now we're going to start by making the dough. For that I require 1 cup of whole wheat flour. This is regular flour that we use to make chapatis or puris. Half a cup of dahi or yogurt. 1/4 cup of water. Half a teaspoon of Eno salts. Some salt to taste. And a few drops of oil. So for the dough, I've just added the salt to the flour. Then I'm going to add the Eno salts. Mix all these 3 dry ingredients well together. Next, we're going to add the yogurt or the dahi. I'll leave a recipe of how I prepare my dahi at home in the description box below. Mix all of this really well together. And now we're just going to add a little water at a time, and we're going to make this into a nice dough similar to that what you would make for a roti, chapati, puri. So it should be nice and firm, yet it should be nice and elastic and flexible too. And then I'm just going to add a few drops of oil and knead this really well and set it aside for about 5 minutes. So during that time, let's make the stuffing or the filling for this lovely pizza puff. So now for the filling, I've taken a small bowl. To that, I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine. Next, I'm going to add 1 small capsicum that I've chopped fine. Next goes in 1 small tomato that I've de-seeded and taken out all the flesh and cut it up again into small fine cubes. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of French beans chopped fine, 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Next is going to go in 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of pizza pasta sauce, 1/4 cup of cheese that I've cut into small cubes. Mix all of this really well together. And we just have 1 more ingredient to go for our filling to be ready, and that is just about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. So once that is added, mix everything well and our filling is all ready. So now I've taken my rolling board, I've just dusted it with a little bit of whole wheat flour. I've taken a small lime-sized ball of the dough that we prepared, and I'm just going to smoothen it out, and then I'm just going to roll it out like you would with a normal roti or chapati or puri. We want about 1/2 inch of thickness. We don't want it to be very thick or very thin. Now you can keep some oil at the side for deep frying, or you can even shallow fry these once they're ready. And then I'm just going to take a round bhaat. You can also use a round cookie cutter and just cut this up into small, even sized rounds like this. Not too big or not too small, just a small puri sized kind of shape. And then we're just going to fill it up in the center with about 1 teaspoon of the filling. Don't overfill it or underfill it. Place the other one on the top. Just seal the sides really well. Press them down well, and then just for the designers as well, to seal it, we're just going to press it down with a fork. So this does the double work of sealing this puff as well as also creating a nice pretty design. So it should look like this. So prepare as many as you want and set them aside. Just ensure that there are no holes on the top or on the base, otherwise your filling will all ooze out into the oil. And also see that it's very well sealed. If it breaks, just restart again. And now all we have to do is just fry it till it's nice and golden brown in color and drain the excess oil on some kitchen napkin. Now, if you don't want to deep fry this, you can just shallow fry it in a little bit of oil in a frying pan too. Or you could even bake this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes. And that's it, guys. Our lovely whole wheat pizza puffs are all ready. And I'll just break open one and show you that it's really, really delicious and it's a must try. So I hope you do give this recipe a try. I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye, guys.